Hi guys, I hope every one of you are quite fine. I am teacher Boniface Dubai, Civic and Moral Standard 3 teacher. Here I'm going to teach you about appreciating the community as one among the competencies that we are supposed to cover in Standard 3. Appreciating the community. In this competence, we are going to look about how to taking care of oneself and others. So, firstly, we are supposed to know the meaning of the word appreciate. Also, we are supposed to know the meaning of the word community. Now, what is the meaning of the word appreciate? Appreciate means identifying and respecting the importance of something. Appreciate Appreciate means identifying and respecting of something. As you can see, the meaning of appreciate, we say that appreciate means identifying and respecting the importance of something. When we talk about community, community is the group of people living together in a particular place or area. This is what we are going to look about. Also, we said that we are supposed to know also the meaning of the word appreciating the community. So when we talk about appreciating community, we mean that appreciating the community appreciating the community means that identifying and respecting the work of people in the community. In our societies, we have different communities. These communities are made by people. That's why we say we are supposed to appreciate our communities. This means that we are going to appreciate everyone, every member of the community. Let us see examples of communities. There are several types of communities in our societies. One of the societies, in our societies, examples of communities our societies. As you have seen, that community is a group of people living together in a particular place or area. So there are several types of communities. One of the communities in our societies is the school. School is a good example of the communities in our societies. Also, there is church. Church also is one among the communities found in our societies. There is also bus terminal. This is also one example of the communities in our societies. Let me mention them here. Examples of communities in our societies. We have, firstly, we have the school. Also, we have hostel. We have church, bus terminal, and other more. These are good examples of the communities found in our societies. They are not only these, there are also other examples of communities, but today let me mention some of them. As you can see, school is one among the communities found in our societies. That a school is a place where pupils go to learn. So when pupils gather together with their teacher, that is, they make one example of community. This is a good example of community. Also, hostel. Many people, for instance, patients or sick people, meet together in this area in order to get treatments. When they meet together, also they form a community. This is also a good example of community. Church. When we talk about church, here Christians meet together for worshiping. So when they meet together with the aim of worshiping, they make a community. So that's why also we say this is a good example of community. There is a bus terminal, a place where people meet, passengers meet together in order to get to hire for transport. So when they gather together, they form also a community. So when they are together in such communities, people are supposed to appreciate one another, because there are some assistances that someone can ask from his or from her fellow. Let us see how to take care. Let us go direct to our sub-competence, which is called taking care of oneself and the others. Taking care of oneself and others. Taking care of oneself and others. In this sub-competence, we are going to see the meaning of the word the meaning of the word taking care. What do we mean when we say take care? Take care. What does it mean? To take care is to protect or to defend something from danger. So when we say taking care of oneself, it means that you are supposed to protect yourself, to defend yourself from danger. And when we say taking care of others, also we are going to look about how to protect your fellow from danger. So let us see the meaning of the word taking care. Taking care means protecting something from danger. So taking care means that protecting something from danger. So when you protect or you defend something from dangerous area or situations, that's what it's called taking care. How are we taking care of ourselves and our fellows? How are we taking care of ourselves and our fellows? We can take care by doing the following: loving yourself, respecting yourself. These are ways of taking care of yourself. How to take care for yourself. You take care of yourself by doing the following. First of all, you love yourself. Loving yourself. Respecting protecting yourself from danger. Okay, good. How to take care for yourself? That you take care of yourself through loving yourself, respecting yourself, protecting yourself from danger. How can you love yourself? For example, you find someone can, in order for you to love yourself, you should wash your body, you take a bath all the time. You protect yourself from playing in dangerous areas or dangerous places. This is also a way of taking care of yourself. Respecting yourself, the way you are talking to your fellows, also this is a good way of taking care of yourself. That protecting yourself from danger. You are supposed, you should stop visiting or going to areas which can make you in danger or which can put you in danger. This is also another way of taking care of yourself. How about taking care for others? Let us see how to take care for others. The way you can protect yourself from danger, also you are supposed to protect your fellows or to protect others also from danger. What to do in order to protect them or to take care of your fellows. Also, when taking care of your fellows, also you are supposed to show love to your fellows. You are supposed to respect them. You are supposed to be kind, to show kindness to your fellows, to show hospitality. This also shows that you are taking care of your fellows. So, in this competence, I think everyone, you have already got the concept of what we are looking about. Also, we are going to look about on how to share problems with others. That when you face some problems or challenges, how can you share such challenges to your fellows? You are not supposed to solve all the problems you face yourself. Some of the problems are too difficult that you cannot solve them yourself. You are supposed to ask for advice. Now, let us see about sharing problems with others. Sharing problems with others. Okay, we say that we are supposed to appreciate the community. When we say that the community is made by people, so if you appreciate them, that if you have some problems, you can get an assistance. So in the community you are supposed to share your problems with them. How can you share? For example, you use that you are in the class, maybe you have lost maybe your pen. You don't have a pen. So because you appreciate your fellow pupils, you can ask them for assistance and you can get such kind of things you need. So, in sharing problems, you can also, in sharing problems with others, you can get that when you are in the class, you find maybe you have a problem, you have not understood somewhere, or you have lost your property, and you are in need of such things. You are supposed to ask for assistance from your fellows. That is a good way of appreciating the community surrounding you. Let us see dangerous situations in the communities. Dangerous situations in the communities. Things that can make you, which can put you in danger. Dangerous situations in our communities. In our lives, we have different things which can put us in danger. For example, where we are living, we find there are a lot of pits, open pits. We have surgical instruments, sharp instruments. So when you play nearby such things like open pits, you can you can be in danger. Also, when you play with the sharp objects, you find someone, maybe a child is playing on the road. That is not a good area for you to play. So also, it's one among the dangerous situations that can put you in danger. So let me try to mention those areas which dangerous areas dangerous areas which endanger our lives. Dangerous areas or situations that endanger our lives. First of all, we say there is open pits. This is very dangerous. You find some areas have open pits. So if you play nearby these areas, you can put your lives in danger. Also, we have sharp objects or sharp instruments. Sharp instruments or objects. If you play with these sharp objects, you can also endanger your life. So, let me give you this exercise. Let me give you this exercise from what we have learned today. You are going to do the following questions. Question number 1. What is community? What is community? Question number 2. You are going to do this question. Mention at least mention at least 5 examples of communities. Then letter A, B, C, D, and E. Number 3, the last one. List down at least. List down at least 3 ways. 3 ways of protecting yourself from danger. Give them A, B, C. Lastly, I hope everyone have understood well. I would like to remind you about this problem of coronavirus. Stay home, be safe. Corona kills.